Thank you. What's up, guys? Today we're in Pere, Wisconsin, here in the Fox River. We've got Christie B, my fiance, and we've got Chelsea Bishop cleaning up trash on the banks. Thank you very much. She noticed us throwing our litter away in the recycle container in the garbage up there. She said she loves watching the videos and came to say hi. And she's also doing a great deed by cleaning up. So keep it up.
Yes. Nice to meet you guys.
You too. Thank you. A little windy out here today, but can hop in the water. Visibility is about a foot and a half, so not too bad. There's a big ridge in here. A lot of people get snagged up in this channel. There's a lock right there, not active at the moment. Christie's up there picking up trash.
I think it's your lucky day.
I hope so. Alright, let's clear it out. Oh, alright, I gotta take my fins off so I can step better. These didn't help. Whew. That was not light. I'll be okay. I would like to get over in that point. I'm not sure if anybody's fishing it though. How's it going? But yeah, I'm just finding more trash than anything today. But 38, it cooled down. It was up to like 45 last week. This whole area, and more over there though. Nice green bottle, ain't too old. Rip and wrap, yeah. First one for the day, or maybe second one. And that's stuck in there. There we go. All along here, give me a lot of lures. The current is not bad right now. You just got a little wind here. You can see a little bit of current trailing through here. Nice shadow wrap there. Get off me. There we go. She's getting cold. I think I might head back there, check the wall, go back. I'm starting to shiver. I'm gonna start heading back. I'm getting kind of chilly. What kind of lure did you find? Gummy one? Yummy. Look at this. It's still cold out, 38 degrees. Oh, it's in the face. Okay. Oh, it is. I saved the perch. He was snagged up on that metal thing with a bunch of hooks. I cut the line into it to swim away. Freezing. Okay, you got 750 psi. I'm gonna go more trip out here. Yeah. What's up, guys? Just got done diving here at Voyageur Park, De Pere, Wisconsin. Christie was here cleaning up the banks. What'd you find?
I found 3 lures. I don't know what they are, but I found them.
Wow, look at you.
Yes, in a bag of trash.
Did you find this lip stuff too, or
No,
what?
that goes in my pocket.
Oh.
I'm a hot mess.
You are, and I'm a cold mess.
Dancing with dead fish, branches up in this bird's nest. It got ugly out there. It was a delicate dance.
Well, let's check out. I got underwater here today. Water was 38 degrees, and toward the end, I pulled out this chunk of metal, and there was a perch swimming around that was stuck on line. I was able to set the perch free, and I got this out, and it had a bunch of lures on it. There's a bunch more lures in here, but this is my final lure of the day, this little musky lure. I got a lot of ripping wraps, a lot of trash in here. I'm shivering. I got to get out of this gear. I'll tear all this stuff apart and tell you what I got later. We got to get back to work. Great dive today. Thankful to have Christie helping out. Let's get out of here. It was a very cold dive, but I'm very thankful that Christie could come to help me clean up the water and the banks. The visibility was only about 1 foot, but I was able to get a lot of stuff from underwater. We even had help from one of our fans.